Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to do a Subway mukbang. Now, I've never done a Subway mukbang before. I don't think I have. Are you too close or what? That's better. And I'm going to tuck in straight away because I'm so hungry. I've not eaten all day. So I have the Meatball Marinara with everything but onions and jalapenos because I don't like jalapenos or onions. And then I've got this new drink to try here. This is called the Unicorn Strawberry Splash. Ow! Shit. That's gone everywhere. Okay, so that wasn't planned. I didn't even shake that and it done that. Oh, God. So, I can already smell it. So, not much has actually escaped. So, now I've got a new kind of sippy kind of cup thing. So, I'm going to pour it in here. I hope it doesn't go everywhere. I've seen these absolutely everywhere and I really wanted to try one. I really want to get one of these mugs, so I'm going to try it. That's what it is. I put some ice in there also because it's lukewarm. Oh, that's really nice. That's strawberry, I'm going to put the rest of it in. Like a strawberry fizzy water, really good. It tastes really sweet. That is really good. And I love the package. It's so cute. You can see the unicorn. So I'm going to shut up now so you can start to eat this. I'm so hungry. So how's everyone today? So I've got some Doritos here as well, some nachos. So I hope it doesn't get messy. Let's try. Oh my God, look at that. It is falling apart. That's the meatball, guys. Oh yeah. That is amazing. That is so good, guys. I don't want to get it everywhere, that's all. It's really messy. Let me try it a bit more. Oh my God, it's so good. Now, they've added sweet corn to this. I don't normally get sweet corn. Is that better? Oh my God, this is so good. Can you see? I really like this sip. I like this sippy kind of. I'm obsessed. They're absolutely everywhere. Not bad. Yeah. So good. Look at that. It's like hooped into. Really good day today. I don't tend to buy the Meatball Marinara sub. Normally get this spicy Italian, but I remember having this sub a couple of days after my birthday, my hell of a birthday. I really enjoyed it, but I did have really bad acid reflux. I couldn't really enjoy it that well, but it tasted really nice. I love this cup. I love that noise. Weirdo. I'm really enjoying this. So what's your favourite Subway? Oh, missed my mouth. It's big enough. I normally get the spicy Italian, but I just fancy something different. So good. Have I had the steak one? I think I was going to get the steak one. Meatball? I don't think I did. I've devoured this. I've been so hungry. I added sweet onion sauce. I could just taste that then. It's really nice. Because sometimes if you get too many sauces, it kind of gets really soggy. So, I don't like that. It's such a good sub. Very filling though. I'm quite full already. I've never known them put sweet corn before. I don't know why. Is it just me or not? Oh no. I spilled it on my white shirt. Brand new shirt. But I'm debating whether to save this or have it now. This other half. I'm gonna have a bit of it, I think. Look at that. Sweet onion sauce really works. Really well. I do sometimes get the salads. I really like those. There's no water. I'm gonna have a couple more bites and then I think I'm done. So good. One more bite. I'm getting really full. Why is it when you're hungry everything tastes like 50 times better? So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this mukbang. I'm really, really full. I'm going to have this a bit later on, I think. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Don't forget, there's so much more stuff coming from me. I'm really excited to see where this journey takes me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think of this mukbang. Would you like me to do any other mukbangs? What other fast food places would you want me to try out? I'd like to try Red Hot's barbecue. That sounds really good. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.